Okay, today is October 15th, 2011. Here we are in Khanage in Dubai. And we are standing here with the electrical person and with Raju. And your name is? Aji. Aji, he is the guy who is installing the electrical systems, the lights, the air conditioners, all of that. How many air conditioners do we have here? 6 in this room, 6 in that room, and 2. So 14 air conditioners. Each air conditioner is taking 2,300 watts. One. So if you, that means 2,000 for 2 tons. So that means for 14, that is 14 times 2 is 28. 28, and so about 35 kilowatts. 35 kilowatts are being consumed here, which can be replaced by Colorado to from 35 kilowatt to 3.5 kilowatt. So that can be done by solar. How many lights? Do you know how many lights we have? 66 lights in each section. Okay, let's go to the other section. Okay, can you just this is one section, and this is what is this room called? Electrical pump room. In the pump room, and this is the room where they are making the system, in which there are PVC pipes, and this pipe there is the water flow. The water will be flowing here through this, and they will be putting the trays. Will this have holes in it? Okay, इसको ज़रा सारा समझाओ, इसका सारा एक्सप्लेन करो कि ये क्या है?
ये बार्ली है ना, शेर बार्ली ग्रोथ ट्रे है।
हाँ, ये ट्रे
सीड डालेगा।
हाँ,
सीड डाल के ये पानी इधर से सप्लाई होगा, इधर से जाएगा, उधर डिस्चार्ज हो जाएगा।
Okay, this is a room where they will grow barley. This is a total temperature controlled room in which these are the trays and the water will flow. First we showed a video 4 or 5 months ago in which it is in a container. Now this is a fixed room in which we have this instead of being on mobile unit, now this is fixed. So how many trays in each row?
32.
So there are 32 trays on one stand. And how many stands? 10 stands.
All 323.
320 here and 320 there. So 640 stands. They have 14 air conditioners, and in each room there are these tube lights, which are how many tube lights? 66 in each section. Now we can convert all of this on solar. We can change the air conditioners to Colorado, and from Colorado we put the solar panels on the roof. So this can become a self-containing unit which can be put anywhere in the world. So what we need is there a pump to this? How big is the pump? 3 HP. So we have to calculate all of this. I have the numbers. We will calculate this, and we can have how many pumps?
3 pumps.
3 pumps. So that means total 9 horsepower. 9 horsepower multiplied by say 1 kilowatt. Actually it is 746 watts per pump for horsepower. So if we take say 1 kilowatt, so that will be 9 kilowatt for that, 3.5 kilowatt for the Colorado air conditioners, and we will replace all of these tube lights by solar tube lights. So we can have this whole place running on solar, which is going to save not only a lot of money, but it can be done anywhere in the world. You guys are doing a great job. Keep it up. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. And okay, Raju, you're doing a good job, man. All the best. Very good. Raju, there is a song for him in India. It is, what is the song? Mera naam Raju. Kya gana kya gao? Okay, thank you.